Hi, English 112. So this week we are focusing on Acts 2 and 3 of Hamlet. Make sure that you are completing the discussion questions and submitting them each day, each class day. So Act 2 on Monday, Act 3 on Wednesday. Again, the discussion questions don't need to be answered with anything enormous. Give me just a couple sentences just to point at the places in the text that are most important. So these discussion questions are guiding your thinking to kind of the most important passages. You should also be thinking, and actually go ahead and choose now which topic from the topic list you want to write about. Because if you're clear on that, as we go through each act, you can go ahead and pull out passages from the play that you want to use in your essay. Because remember, you're making an argument about the play. So if you make a statement like the example I've used is Hamlet is a spoiled brat. That's not one of your topics because it's a terrible topic. But that's a good thesis because it's an argument. It's something that needs to be proven about the play. So if I were to write that, that's my thesis statement. And then the body paragraphs need to prove that that is true by using passages from the play. So the play itself is going to be one of your sources that you quote and that you cite, because if you can't prove it using the play, it's not a good argument. So pick your topic now so that you can start pulling out those passages that you know need to appear in the essay itself. So that way you've got like a collection of quotes or a collection of passages by the time we're done, and you can just pick and choose from those and put them in your essay, in addition to the other sources that you'll use from the databases through my SEC. So get that decided now. Another thing I'm going to do this week is below I'm going to post a kind of lecture video where I'm going to walk through Acts 2 and 3 on the screen and highlight some important themes and ideas just to kind of talk through what you're reading and how to start thinking about it and criticizing it. This is basically what I would have done in class if we were together, and then I would have asked you questions and you would have talked rather than answering discussion questions online. So I will go ahead and post that below for this week as well. Please do take some time to listen to that lecture and to see how I am walking through the play and discovering and analyzing some of the big themes from that topic list. Because by the time we're to Act 3, we're at the top of the pyramid, right? Act 1 has sort of given us general ideas. Act 2 has started the tension and goes up the pyramid. Act 3 is where everything sort of comes together, and we've got some really tense moments, and we've got the most famous Shakespeare soliloquy in Act 3, the to be or not to be. That is the question. That's a Hamlet soliloquy. So in Act 3, we're getting to the top of that pyramid where everything's coming together and we've got sort of the greatest tension. So please do take a few minutes to listen to and watch the lecture below so that you've got a good sense of how to think about and process the play as we're moving through it. So this week is Acts 2 and 3. Next week is going to contain Acts 4 and 5. So we finish the play next week. So make sure you're kind of processing not only what you need for your essay, but also just really good ways to read and analyze this play as we move through it. All right. Have a good week. As usual, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. So be submitting your discussion questions, be moving through the play and getting your essay ready, because the semester is ending faster than I think any of us realize. All right. Have a good week, and I will post more stuff below. All right. See ya.